2 months ago, I put this intake software in that is AI intake, and it's allowed me to reduce my intake headcount by 1.5 people. And so the intake experiment has been, I think, very instructive to what is going to happen in the other departments. So this was the first department where I actually put in tech that could actually take over people's jobs. And it changed the role of the humans, because the humans don't need to do everything they were doing before, because the tech can do a lot of it. So this is the first time that I've actually seen this theoretically in action. And it has revealed certain things. You need fewer people, but you need better people. They have to be adaptable. They have to have excellent people skills. They have to have excellent judgment, because the value of execution is going down and the value of creativity and judgment way up.
Okay. That's interesting. So how are you going through this cycle with your firm then? Because I'm guessing not all of your people fit that mold.
No, well, I mean, one got fired because he should have been fired. He was behaving unprofessionally and like vaped in the middle of a meeting and made it easy, right? If we got to get rid of people and you act like a jerk, you're going to be gone.
Yeah,
and
that's an easy one.
Right. And then one person promoted out, like she had been in there a long time and she kind of didn't want to. And now we didn't have the same volume of tasks, so we could give her other work that she wanted to do. But that particular team is struggling. They weren't hired for the same purpose, and they are struggling to understand like the new role and to use great judgment and to maximize the value of the tech to make your job easier. But that's not true for everybody. I mean, the intake manager the other day was like, I'm having better, higher quality conversations because I now have information that I wouldn't have had going into this. We're booking more people. It's making my life easier. And that's what you want.
What do you think it is about AI or intake that made it so easy to replace the people you did when it comes with AI? Because to me, that seems like a really hard one to replace people in.
So the software that I'm using, it's called LexiDesk AI. And they started it in the UK in 2022, and they built a platform where they were selling leads. So they had a whole lot of people from lots of different areas of law training this AI intake bot, and then they were selling it off to different lawyers. So the software has been having these discussions for 4 years and has been trained on exactly what to ask, how to make sure that, you validate every person's, if they tell you something uncomfortable, that you make sure to let them know, oh, that must be really hard. Like, it's so good. And so it collects, name, email, phone, what's going on in your case, how many dollars are we talking about, where's your county, and all the while giving it reassurance. And then it will say, the best lawyer, based on what I've heard from you, is Anne. She's in your area. She has 10 years experience. I'm going to send you a link so you can book with her right now. So I'm capturing all the leads that I was losing before. And the whole reason I found this software was because I had this crappy marketing company, and they're like, it's not us, it's you. You don't answer your phone. And people would be shocked to know how many phone calls get dropped. And they just, people are on lunch, or they're sick, or they're in meetings, or they're in our town hall and they're not answering the phone. So just capturing everything is amazing. And then having all of that information in advance so that my intake people can call back and know exactly what this case is about is great.
All right. So quit hiding the goods. What is this platform? What are we talking about? What's the name of it?
LexiDesk.ai. And you can go to the website.
Spell Lexi.
LEXI.
Desk AI.
Yeah. So go to the website. They have a widget on the front and you can just talk to it. So that's how I stumbled upon it. ChatGPT told me about it. I went to the website,